Hello, my name is Ben, and I'm here to talk to you about a computer program called Photoshop. In this image editing program, you will learn how to crop, lasso, and more. So let's open up Photoshop. So here's Photoshop, and I'm going to tell you how to use the tools that you see on the side. So, first one is Zoom. Zoom allows you to zoom into the picture, and I will open up an image first. Okay, let's use this. Okay, so zoom allows you to zoom into the picture and zoom out. Or you can just use the bar as you see. So the next one is basically a hand tool. It allows you to move around the photo and many more. So then let's go to the move tool. The move tool allows you to highlight. It's not letting me. Okay, so I can move it and I can change the size with the tool, and that's and yeah, I can also rotate it. I could do all kinds of stuff with it. Like and then to the next one. So the rectangle mark. So it allows you to select part of the picture. You can delete it, you can inverse the select, and you can keep this part as shown. And yeah, and you can also change your select to epilecto, aka oval or a circle, or you can use the rectangle. So then the next thing that we will go on to is the lasso. The lasso allows you to trace around an object, and then that's selected. And then another thing to do is a polygonal one, which makes you a shape. And then there's also the magnet one, which is usually the one used a lot. It allows you to trace it, and it would trace to the picture. It gets an idea of where the picture is, as you see of what I'm doing. And yeah, it highlights the picture basically. And you can delete it, you can edit stuff with it, you can do all kinds of stuff when you highlight it. Whoa. Then to the wand. So the wand allows you to highlight stuff to its similar color. So let's say I want to highlight this orange. It would highlight it automatically just by clicking it. It's very easy to highlight or select stuff or select parts of pictures. It's easier with it, I believe. And then there's also many other ones. There's also the magic wand. This highlights stuff by, so this is the one that I was talking about before, which highlights stuff to its particular color. So it has to have the same color in order for it to highlight, as you see. And then magic just, you're able to highlight, you can continue highlighting. And then there's the selection brush. It's basically like the magic wand, but it only gives you a particular size to highlight, and you can change it to pretty big, as you see. And yeah. Then to the next tool. It's red eye removal. So if there was a red eye, you would highlight it, and then it would just automatically get rid of the red eye. It replaces it with black, even though I guess it's recognizing the orange as red, as if it was an eye, but it's not. So then the next one is the spot healing brush. Ooh. What it allows you to do, you would highlight an area, and basically it does a little bit of a blending, I guess. If I were to highlight the whole thing, it would blur it out. Now it's loading. And yeah, it blurs it out basically. You can't even tell if that's a car or not. To the next tool. Well, a healing brush. And obviously you need select, and then you would do so. And then now to the smart brush. It highlights obviously, and then you can I don't know why it's doing this. Highlights it and changes the color. And then it also has this brush. So since it's on blue, it will be changing it to blue, I guess. Yeah, it has like bluish background now. Then to the next tool, which is the Chrome stamp, or clone stamp. Allows me to select it with a different background and put that background in instead. In other words, oh, that was pattern stamp. Clone stamp something else. Well, then I'll skip to basics because I'm running out of time. So, text box, you would select, you have the text box open and it's freezing. Okay, it would select. You could make bigger. You could write in it, and then can also use the pencil tool. And then there's crop, which allows you to highlight a particular picture, the shape. You can change the size of it, rotate it, and you can change the size of it, shape. And then there's color, erase. You can change color or opacity. There's the brush, and then there's the fill. It fills it to the particular color, or the color that has the same color of it. It would fill that in. And that's it for now. And if you want to check out my other videos, then check them out, I guess. And have fun photo editing. Bye.